Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to download and install FreeCAD. FreeCAD is an amazing tool for creating 3D projects without spending a dime. It's open source and perfect for designers, engineers, and even beginners diving into the world of CAD. First, open your browser and go to freecadweb.org. This is FreeCAD's official website. Always download software from trusted sources to avoid issues. On the home page, click Download Now. Here you can select the version for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. In my case, I'll download the Windows version, but the process is similar for other systems. After selecting your operating system, click the Download button. The file will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, open the file you just downloaded. The installation wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed. Accepting the terms. Read the terms, click I agree, and continue. Choosing the installation folder, select the folder where FreeCAD will be installed or leave it as default and click Next. Installing. Now, just click Install and wait for the process to finish. When the installation is complete, click Finish and open FreeCAD. That's it. You're ready to start exploring all the features of this fantastic software. See how easy that was? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. In upcoming videos, I'll teach you how to use FreeCAD to create your first projects. See you next time.